for the lovely introduction. I know Rajakumar will cut my time from there.
Becoming Samir
Hutch
Babu.
At Hutch Global, we give your dreams an address. That's our tagline. This is the only yellow part that I'm going to read, so in future slides, please read it yourself. Buying real estate is not only the best way, the safest way, quickest way, but the only way to become wealthy. I, as Ravi mentioned, am the General Secretary of CREA, Confederation of Real Estate Associates, which is the largest real estate association in Karnataka and going pan-India. So over more than 250 top channel partners. And some of the photographs that you see is Mr. and Mrs. Sushil Mantri, me launching the book by Mr. Sushil Mantri at Upper Crest event with RMZ, with Nitesh Estates. You will see a large gathering with Puravankara, accreditation courses by CREA. So it's been a dream to bring in real estate accreditation in India, and we are very, very close to it getting approved from CREDAI and Government of Karnataka. So that's where we are contributing. सलमान खान एक बार जो बोल दे तो खुद की भी नहीं सुनता, बट ट्रस्ट मी, जब समीर अरोरा बोलता है तो रियल एस्टेट में हर कोई सुनता है. Some of the awards that we have won, Mantri, Puravankara, we've been honored by Prestige and Divyashri now. I'm a speaker at Black Arrow conferences and recognized by CREA for the industry contribution. What do we really do at Hutch Global? Real estate, marketing and advisory services. We call ourselves premium because we deal over a certain value. Sale and purchase of apartments, plots, sites and independent houses. Joint development, joint ventures with builders on large parcels and landowners. Exclusive marketing of new projects and high value rentals. Why Hutch Global? Because at Hutch Global, we ensure you're not taken for a ride. Super built area versus carpet area is a big issue, and similar. So we do client requirement analysis, prediction on return on investment, mapping of real estate growth, extreme wide database, knowledge, connects and reach, ability to negotiate on behalf of a client, and some of them can confirm it here, a lifetime service attitude with trust, ethics and reliability, and an extremely important thing, ability to say no to builder, to everybody else when required. Our forte happens to be primary sales. Primary sales are the pre-launch or the soft launch of new projects by builders. Could be apartments, could be villas, could be plots under construction, and we are marketing and leading channel partners, associates of almost all the A-grade builders like Embassy, Prestige, Mantri, Nitesh, others, name any of them. Why buy through us? This is the most important thing that I would like to talk about, because every builder will sell you only his project, whereas we will take out the right choice, the right budget, the right location after analyzing your requirement and suggest to you the best deal. The buyer for us can be both an end user or an investor. Today, almost 35 to 40% of new projects are booked by investors, so that's a big category for us. The buyer gets those services for the 3 to 4 years of transactions. We deal with starting with 75 lakhs, but more so from 1 crore upwards up to 25 crores. Primary launch bookings for all our buyers, the services are free. The buyer does not pay us, the builder pays us, but we might be able to negotiate better deals than you can ever with the builder. So it's a win-win scenario for everybody. I keep saying money cannot buy happiness, money can buy a house. But would you rather cry on streets or in your own house? So that's where Hutch Global. I would like to take a case study of Ritu and Sanjay on Sarjapur Road, who came with the prefixed notion that we want to buy a 3-bedroom with a 1.1 crore budget in 2010-11, and they were paying a rental of 25,000. I'll skip the detailings. We worked in details, and that's where our advisory services come into picture. It took us a little while, but we were able to convince them to buy a new booking in Shobha Classic, which would be ready after 3 years at about 90 lakhs. They paid 18 lakhs and 72 over the next 3 years. Net effect, rental, EMI, all taken care of. They had a net gain of 45 lakhs. And which is where I say I rest my case. Ritu and Sanjay have now connected us to at least 6 more deals across Sarjapur Road. And that word of mouth model is how my business really moves. Our second major strength is the secondary sales. The only difference being primary sales we do across Bangalore, but secondary sales we focus in areas of starting Koramangala, HSR, Sarjapur, Whitefield, Southeast Bangalore, North Bangalore, Hennur, Hebal, and CBD and Indiranagar, Koramangala. 85 lakhs upwards, up to 25 crores on the residences, apartments, villas, plots, houses, lands. Any buyer is our ask, any seller, a serious one, is also a good reference. And our professional charges happen to be 2% plus service tax here, and we are pretty firm on that. I would like to today talk about some success stories. In 2003, Rainbow Residency plot on Sarjapur Road, bought at 450 rupees per square feet, is 6,500 today. In 11 years, 22.5 lakhs has become 3.25 crores. As my new friend Sanjeev Mehta agrees, there is nothing better in life than pays real estate. Do you agree, Sanjeev?
Sure.
Absolutely. The lucky client, of course, there was Samir Arora. But we started this business in 2006 and 2007. 2008, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divesh Rialana Apartments on Sarjapur Road, plots with ponds in Dodballapur, Monthly Glades, Brigade Metropolis in Whitefield. All of them have been huge success stories, and we've had multiple clients with 100 to 300% growth delivered to them already. In 2013, Sai Murthy bought apartment in Prestige Funds Residency. 4250 has already become 6,300 in 18 months. So he has paid about 18 lakhs for a 53 lakh apartment, and I can sell it for 80 lakhs right here today. He still wants to hold on. Sai, Madhu, Padmaja, Supreme, you will make money. Nitesh, Long Island and Prestige Lakeside Habitats are fabulous projects. Thank you for investing, and thank you to all at BNI for the connects that have booked through us. Your referrals are our inspiration. I keep saying, businesses and job run lifestyles. Wealth is created by real estate investments. So I would like to talk about the good, bad and ugly. The good referrals for Hutch Global are buyers and more buyers. HNI, CEOs, VPs, industrialists for investments, models, actors, anybody with 1 crore to 25 crore, but definitely not less than 75 lakhs. Good referrals for us are landowners with land parcels, serious sellers, and builders, developers who wish to buy the same. Apartments, villas and house sellers above 1 crore are also good referrals. Some strict no-no referrals to my business associates here, my sales team here. Do not connect me to another agent. I know all 275 top ones in Bangalore through Kriya. Do not connect me to small builders except when they are looking at land acquisition. Do not refer small brand value, non-branded houses, both for rental and sales, below the values. Thank you, BNI Harmony. I think a lot of love and affection has come my way through this team, and that's where I've written a few words that I would like to recite today. मैं नहीं कहता गीता बहुत हो गई दोस्तों गीता गीता का पाठ पढ़ाते पढ़ाते जाने कहां आ गए हम जाने कब अंकल सैम से श्री श्री समीर बाबा बन गए बिजनेस देने और बिजनेस लेने आए थे हार्मनी में हम सुबह 8 बजे हुए शामिल हार्मनी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स से ऐसे हो गए हम गुम कि जाने कब हो गई गहरी ये दोस्तियां और शाम की 8 बजे की महफिल में खो गए हम काफिला अब ये 4 साल पुराना है तुम भी निभाना यारों क्योंकि हमने तो अब अपने दिए दिल में ठाना है कि अब हमें साथ चलते ही जाना है एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है बीएनआई हार्मनी अपनी यही बिजनेस यही दोस्ती और यही अपना ठिकाना है लेकिन ढूंढते रहो सब 50 लोग रेफरल्स और क्लाइंट्स मेरे लिए ढूंढते रहो रेफरल और क्लाइंट्स मेरे लिए क्योंकि बैंगलोर में अभी ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं हज ग्लोबल ने जिनको दिलाना एक आशियाना है दिलाना एक घर है दिलाना एक आशियाना है थैंक यू